Why should you choose Bellwether over other exterior contractors? That's a question we get asked a lot here at Bellwether. Honestly, at Bellwether, we're not just selling siding, we are delivering confidence, craftsmanship, and peace of mind. We approach every project as a partnership, not a transaction. That means we listen first, communicate clearly, and follow through on what we say we'll do. Homeowners choose us because we do things right the first time. We measure twice, but cut once. And we stand behind every detail of our work. Our team is trained with the highest standards in the industry, and we're proud to carry elite certifications from top manufacturers like James Hardie and Pella. Just as important as what we do is how we do it. We perform our work with honesty, professionalism, and a deep respect for your home. We understand that your home is your sacred space. It's where you recreate, recharge with your family, where you're building memories. And we want to help you level up. Not just your curb appeal, but your comfort, your safety, and your long-term value. That's what it means to be a Bellwether, and we take that commitment seriously.